Like you are spinning your wheel in life or working so hard without seeing the result you deserve, then this video is for you. I strongly recommend you then to stop everything you are doing right now, because what I'm about to tell you in this video could change your entire 2025 year ahead. Hi, my name is Cecile and I help professionals just like you optimize their resource management, their time, their energy and their money, so that they can achieve their goal while experiencing well-being. So, at the time I'm shooting this video, it's the last night of 2024. And 2024 may have been a year of challenge for many. Maybe you've promised yourself last December 23 that this year at this time things will be different, but you end up repeating the same pattern. Today I want to show you that 2025 doesn't have to be the same. If you feel the pull between your dream and your action, now this is the time to decide. A decision to stop wasting your time, your energy, and your potential. Because tomorrow is 2025, a blank slate, an opportunity to reinvent yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 2025 not just as good year, but your best year yet. But before leaping into the future, let's take a moment to look back. Did 2024 bring you closer to your ideal life? Maybe yes, maybe not, but you've learned something about yourself, right? So just count the victory. No matter how small, that is the foundation for what's to come. So your victory is where you want to step in, because your gratitude will be based on this victory. So take a moment to celebrate them and promise yourself that your mistake will not define you. Because sometimes we feel trapped in the blaming method, because in the blaming round, because we think that we didn't achieve that much things that we set out to do. But at least you achieve something, and then at least you learn something. So grab the small one and hang on there and just celebrate. You know, here is the truth. To succeed, you don't need any more motivation. No, you need clarity. And today I'm going to show you how to find it in two simple steps and four forces to master in 2024. The first step is really about clarity about what you want to achieve. And to achieve something, we are human and you need to have a clear picture. You need to have a vision of the life that you want to build for yourself. What is your ideal life? You need to visualize that you are this time of the year on 31st of December 2025. And what is your ideal life look like? Where are you? With who are you? Like, what have you achieved at this time on 2025? So you start by there and you identify 3 key actions that will make the biggest difference starting tomorrow in January 25. Just 3, not 10, because you split your energy everywhere, you achieve nothing. So just focus on 3 things that will make a huge difference in your life. And then the 4 force the master 2025 is about. The first one is a central and powerful goal. So you start with a strong intention. One thing you want to achieve in 2025 that will make a huge impact in every area of your life. For example, for me, I am in business. What is the thing that will make a difference in my life, like impact all other area of my life, is business. So a business goal that I can choose for myself, I know that if I achieve more in business, it will help me to impact other around me, to contribute more and to be more and to do more and to enjoy more also in life. So that's something that you can also copy if you are in business, or maybe it's in your job, or maybe it's in anything that is really important to you. So that is what I call the motivation, the big motivation factor. So it's important to also visualize how you feel by on December 31st, when you are celebrating 25, when you are celebrating, when you already achieved that goal. What is your then you set your number 1 priority for 2025. For example, someone may be having a goal to develop an optimal health that gives him more energy for everything else. So whatever it is for you, find that out and just really set it into motion. Force number two is the power of simplicity. Instead of spreading yourself thin, focus on three major priorities. Three priority must align with your value and long-term goal, because a long-term dream. Because when you are focused in everything, you are nowhere. It's impossible to achieve everything, but you can achieve one by one. Like looking at three things that you focus definitely in that, and in short term you achieve them, then you take on another three. So that is power of simplicity in action. And force number three is about the ritual and discipline. Because success isn't an act, it's a habit. And building daily ritual that support your priority, like a morning routine for clarity, a regular breaks for recharging, or maybe an evening moment to review your progress throughout the day. So first, number four is about celebrating and gratitude. Too often we rush from one goal to another, to the next, without even appreciating how far we've come. So in 2025, change that. Celebrate your small victory every week and cultivate the gratitude. Remember, your success doesn't depend on what you did yesterday or this year that just has just passed, but it depends of what you are willing to do now. So take that first step. 2025 can be your year of total mastery, but it all starts with one single action. Here's what I propose: grab a piece of paper and write one thing you absolutely want to transform in 2025. And then next is subscribe to my channel and follow me all this year for strategy to keep you aligned and motivated. Third, leave 2024 behind with gratitude. I mean, bless everything, every experience. Even you like it or don't like it, just bless everything and drop. Because you don't have space in you to carry out in 2025. Because if you let them hang around, it will distract you from everything else. So just leave it behind, bless it and drop it, and then welcome 2025 with courage and ambition. Because 2025 is your year, that it's a year that we transform our dream into reality together. Your best year start now. This year is yours. It's all to share, and together we are going to achieve the impossible. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So take a deep breath and get ready to start tomorrow with confidence and determination. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for being here, and see you tomorrow in another video. Happy New Year!